Welcome to Tutorial 2, Topics, Layers and Adding Data. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to manage data on the map using the Topics and Layer panels and add your own data. A great way to quickly add data to your map is with topics. Topics are groupings of map layers with a similar theme, such as property boundaries, mining permits, or geology. The Topics panel allows you to scroll through a list of topics, search on keywords, and filter by category. You can also sort your list by name or how recently it was added. Once you've selected a category, you can return to the full topic list by selecting All Topics. For regular users of topics, the Featured section gives a quick way to view your favourites, your last accessed topic, and any newly added topics. You can also set topics to show by default on startup. Each topic panel displays a name and some information about that topic. From here, you can also save a topic to your favourites, see if it is best viewed in 2D or 3D, or share the link on various platforms. If you haven't found the topic you need, click the back arrow to return to the list. Otherwise, click Launch Topic to add it to your map. Add to Globe adds your topic to the map but retains any currently open layers. Replace Current Topic will remove any currently open layers from your map in favour of the new topic. We'll choose Replace Current Topic. Note that the Layers button updates the number of layers in your map. Open the Layers panel to see the newly added data. You may need to expand the tree to see each individual layer. Note also that some layers may not be turned on by default. Opening the legend will reveal all active layers. Only layers that are switched on will be visible in the legend. Returning to the Topics panel, you can also close your topic if no longer needed, or add new topics. To locate the active topic, scroll through the list until you see the topic highlighted with a blue line. To close your topic, click the X at the bottom right of the panel, or open the Detailed Description panel and click Close Topic. Layers allows you to control the visibility of all available data layers in the application. The Layers button shows a list of the currently available layers in your map. Note that the layers are grouped into categories, and you may have to click down a few levels to see individual layers. If a layer is ticked, then it is visible on the map. If the layer is ticked but the name is greyed out, it's not visible at the current scale and you may need to zoom in to show it. If a category name has a dash next to it, this indicates some, but not all, of the layers under it are turned on. To add more layers to the map, click Add Layers. Here, you can browse through the list or filter by name. To turn the filter off, click the blue cross. The I button beside each category and layer name provides you a brief description. Add a layer by clicking its checkbox, or click on the checkbox next to a category to add all the layers beneath that category. When you've selected all your layers, click the back arrow to return to the layers list. To remove layers, click on the Edit Layers button and then the red icon next to your chosen layer name. Click Done when finished. You may also wish to add your own data to the map, such as a shapefile, GPS track, or CSV list of points. To do this, click Add My Data, then drag your data into the application or use Browse to locate your data. A web map service can also be added by simply entering the relevant URL. This concludes the tutorial. If you would like more detailed information, please check the FAQs and other tutorials in this series.